Ever wondered who the fastest person really is in a relay race? I mean, we see the anchor leg runner blazing across the finish line, often taking all the glory. But is that person actually the fastest? Or is there more to it than meets the eye? That's what we're diving into today, the fascinating world of relay racing and the quest to determine true speed. Relay races, whether it's the 4x100 meter or the 4x400 meter, are a spectacle of teamwork, strategy, and explosive power. We see these athletes, finely tuned machines, pushing their bodies to the absolute limit. But beneath the surface of these thrilling races lies a complex interplay of factors that determine who's really the fastest. Now, you might be thinking, isn't it obvious? The person who finishes first is the fastest. And in a simple foot race, you'd be right. But relays aren't simple foot races. They're a symphony of four individuals working in perfect harmony. And within that symphony, individual brilliance can sometimes be masked or amplified by the performance of the team as a whole. Let's break down the elements of a relay race. First, you have the start. Getting out of the blocks quickly and efficiently is crucial. A slow start can put a team at a disadvantage right from the get-go. Then, you have the acceleration phase, where athletes build up their speed. This is where raw power comes into play. Next, you have the top-end speed, the point where an athlete reaches their maximum velocity. This is what we often associate with fastest. And finally, you have the baton exchange, a critical moment where smooth coordination and timing are essential. A botched exchange can cost a team valuable time, regardless of individual speed. So, where does that leave us in our quest to find the fastest? Well, it gets complicated. The anchor leg runner, the one we see crossing the finish line, often has the pressure of securing the victory. They're chosen for their ability to perform under pressure, their tactical awareness, and yes, their speed. But they might not necessarily be the fastest on the team. Think about it. A team might have a phenomenal starter who blazes through the first leg, giving them a significant lead. That first runner might possess the fastest acceleration and top-end speed on the team. But if the subsequent legs struggle with their exchanges or can't maintain the pace, the anchor leg runner, even if they're incredibly fast, might not be able to overcome the deficit. In this scenario, the fastest runner on the team might be the one who ran the first leg, even though they didn't cross the finish line first. Another factor to consider is the specific demands of each leg. The first leg runner needs to be explosive out of the blocks. The second leg runner often needs to be strong and maintain momentum on the curve. The third leg runner might need a combination of speed and endurance. And the anchor leg runner, as we discussed, needs to be a clutch performer. These different demands mean that a team might strategically place their fastest runner in a position where their specific skills are best utilized, even if it's not the anchor leg. Furthermore, the concept of fastest itself can be nuanced. Are we talking about pure top-end speed? Or are we talking about acceleration? Or maybe speed endurance, the ability to maintain high speed over a longer distance? Different runners excel in different areas. One runner might have an incredible top-end speed but a slower acceleration. Another might have a blistering start but struggle to maintain their speed over the entire leg. So, who's the fastest? It depends on what you're measuring. To truly determine the fastest runner in a relay team, you'd need to analyze individual splits. Timing each leg separately would give you a clearer picture of each runner's performance. This data, combined with information about their acceleration, top-end speed, and speed endurance, would paint a more complete picture of who's the fastest. But even with individual splits, it's not always a straightforward answer. Track conditions, wind, and even the psychological pressure of the race can all impact a runner's performance. A runner might be the fastest in training, but crumble under the pressure of a major competition. Conversely, a runner who isn't considered the fastest might rise to the occasion and deliver a personal best performance. So, the question of who's the fastest in a relay is more complex than it initially appears. It's not simply about who crosses the finish line first. It's about a combination of factors, including individual speed, acceleration, speed endurance, baton exchange skills, and the specific demands of each leg. It's about teamwork, strategy, and the ability to perform under pressure. Ultimately, the beauty of a relay race lies in the collective effort. It's a testament to the power of teamwork, where individual strengths are combined to achieve a common goal. While the quest to find the fastest individual is intriguing, it's important to remember that a relay race is won by the team, not just by one individual. And every member of that team plays a crucial role in their success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.